Hey everyone, I actually just got in from having dinner. Tonight, it's like 9 o'clock at night, but my body was craving some hot tea. If you can hear a baby in the background, it's nighttime, it's time for us to go to bed, but I really wanted hot tea for myself to like calm me down, get me ready for bed, and just something to soothe my throat. So I really wanted to show you what I'm making as I'm making it. Anytime I make any herbal tea for myself or any new recipe or any natural remedy for myself, I'm just gonna record because it's been a while since I've done these for you guys. My inventory is really low. The last time I went shopping for herbs was way before I was even pregnant. And so I'm running low on my inventory. I'm gonna see what I have, make it work. Come with me downstairs and let's see what I'm gonna put together. The lighting is gonna be kind of crazy because I use a specific like spotlight when I sit myself up somewhere. But like a little baby. What are we gonna make? What are we gonna make? Are we gonna make some tea? Just relax, watch this and enjoy, and hopefully it brings you some calm and peace if you're watching this before bed or to start your day. All right, you guys, this is the finished product. It's really hot, but I'm gonna take a sip for you. I hope you guys enjoy a cup of tea with me if you watch this video. If you end up making your own blend that's inspired by me, tag me on Instagram and I'll repost you. There's actually a few herbs that I didn't have, I would have used for sleepy time tea. Like everybody knows lavender, chamomile. I don't have any more of that. Honestly, making this video, knowing I was going to record this for my channel, inspired me and motivated me to like drink my tea for the night. So it's really good. So good. If I had ginger, I would have added that too. You can add a splash of like orange juice, or it's time for us to go to bed. But yeah, thank you guys for being here with me, and look forward to more herbal tea videos. Anytime I make any, I'm gonna record one for you guys. I love you so much. See ya.